Roshan, and today we will be talking about WordPress SEO. So WordPress is a CMS. I will leave the link in the descriptions so that you can see my WordPress video how to make the page and all. But today our topic will be how we can do the SEO in WordPress. So WordPress is a CMS, so we can easily make the website. In my last video, I have told you about how you can make the website with 2 ways and all that. Now let's see if I have to do the SEO. And again, if you don't know about SEO and you are new to this channel, you can see my SEO video where I have explained all the parts of the SEO that are associated with on-page as well as off-page and local SEO. Now majorly, let's see in on-page what all things we can do in WordPress SEO. So again, you need to first log in into your backend. So with email ID and password you can log in, and this is the backend of the WordPress website where I will go and I will go to the pages for which I have to do the SEO. So for example, suppose if I scroll down, I'll take any page randomly. Suppose if I take this page. So let's view this page particularly. Let's see what this page is. So this is just a dummy page. So here you can see pictures are there, and then a principal message and all that is there. Now again, what I need to do, these two pictures I will see. First I will find that and I will give the description to that we call alt text. So for that I will go to the media and I will open that in a new tab. So here media library I will go and I will find that picture. So for example, let me load more. I have to find exactly that picture that has been used, that we call alt text, so giving descriptions to the images that we have. So again I can go and I can check. Let me load more. So here you can see this images. So I can click on this and here I can have the alt text. So suppose I want to give here Achay. So I can write here Achay. So what will happen in the descriptions of the image, it will be Achay. So when particularly Google will come and crawl this page, so they will see this picture is of Achay. So again, alt text always we give so that Google better understand our websites, and rather I will call images, so that in ranking it helps a lot. Then afterwards, like if I will go and I will just, you have to give the name and wait till it is saved. So now it is saved, so I can go here and I will just refresh this. So once I refresh this particularly, then afterwards I will go here, and then after that I will go and I will click here and I will just inspect that. So again you can go and you can inspect that with Chrome. So I will go and I will inspect that with Chrome. So I will go here particularly. So I will go and after that here I will open. So again it will open well with the Chrome basically. So for viewing the inspect elements and all, so again you can go and you can click on inspect, and here particularly you can see alt tag that I have given Achay, it is showing that Achay. So this is one thing that you can do in WordPress. Apart from that, like particularly what we can do is we can give title description. So title description is called meta title, meta description, so that it's about giving the main topic of the pages and description about the summary of the pages. So again, for giving that I can go to the page. So here, like again, suppose this page, so I can go and I can click on edit. But before that, what you need to do is you need to go to the plugins in the WordPress and you need to have a SEO plugin. So particularly first let's go and click on add new. So plugins is again SEO plugin help you in putting the title and description. So I can go and I can have here, I can type SEO. So I will be getting all the plugins related to SEO. So you can go and you can see here all-in-one SEO, Yoast SEO. So again I will recommend to have Yoast SEO. though both are fine. If you want, you can have this also, but since you can say it has 5 plus million download and almost everyone has given 5 stars, so I will suggest this. So you can install and activate. Once you install and activate, so you can see here the sign, and then afterwards you can go to the pages where you want to give the title and descriptions. So once we want to give the title and descriptions, I can go, suppose this page, so I can click on edit. So once I click on edit, just you have to watch it carefully, don't you have to disturb the alignment and all that of the page. And then here when you scroll down, see, I go to the pages again, I am showing, I just go to the pages, and after that I just click on edit. So see here, I click on edit, and once you click on edit, just scroll down, and here you will get that SEO title. So here I can give the title. So here now, suppose if I give demo title, and then after that here slug is like whatever in URL I want, and then here description, like you can say this is demo title. So I can go and I can say this is demo title, and then afterwards I can go and I can save that. So how I will save? Here is the update button. So I will go and I will update that. So once I update this, now again after this updating, let's go and let's check that. I will go here and I can check that. So again I will refresh this, and then you can press Ctrl U or Ctrl F to go to like to see the backend of the website. So again, or right click view page source, you will go and then Ctrl F, and then you can search for here. Particularly we can search for title. So if I search see demo that I have given, so this is demo title. So see demo title that I have given, it is there, and this is demo. So this is a thing that we can do, particularly with, you can say again with WordPress website. And again, if you see the images, like lot of images that are having higher, like if you do auditing and you came to know that, what you can do is you can go to any online and you can have online image size reducer, online image size reducer. So what happens with this is, like particularly as like when you go with online image size reducer, so I go and I see here, so lot of image size reducer you will get. So you can go and you can just upload the photo, and then they will give you the compressed size basically. So again, it is like you can say I can select the image. So I can go and suppose I want this, so in 2.4 MB suppose this file is. So here you can select the quantity and resize. So again, if you resize, see how much it is. So like this you can download and you can upload. So where you will upload, you can go in the media and you can upload, and don't forget to give the alt tag. So here we can go in the media and we can upload that. Now after that, particularly few things are necessary, like you can go in the plugins, you can add the security plugin. So again, just go to the plugins, add new security. Again, it will help you in malware attack and all that. So you can go here and you can just search here security. So once you search for security, so you get that. So first if you go that particularly, so here you will get, so again highest installation and higher rating, we can go and we can have that. Then afterwards, to make the website little bit faster without any paid plugin, so you can again go and you can type in the plugin cache plugin, CACHE. Again, cache plugin will help you in boosting some of the speed, so light speed cache and all that. So you can see 3 million download it has. So it will again help you to particularly minimize JavaScript and all that. So again, I will suggest this to do. So what it does, it increases some of the speed. So you will definitely see a good score if you are checking your page speed and all. So this is some of the things I will recommend. Apart from that, so suppose if you are in WordPress and you have made with Elementor or any particular plugin, so you can again go and you can edit that. So here you can go and you can click on, so I can go and I can click on edit with Elementor basically. because suppose this page has been built with Elementor or Visual Composer, anything it has built, you can go and you can edit with that. And normally I advise to use Elementor because again it is very easy to use, and it's like everyone can get it. Then again, like suppose if this is my main topic, or you can say this is my main topic, so I can go here and I can make it H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So H1 we use generally for the main heading, and H2 to H6 we use for subheadings. So again we have to maintain the hierarchy, like H1 for main heading and H2 to H6 for subheadings. So this is again, I will suggest these all things we can implement easily without having the coding knowledge. So I hope this video helps you a lot. Let me know in the comment section any further information about WordPress if you need. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video, guys.